After experiencing issues with Apex Legends updates getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem and get back to playing. Step 1. Restart your console or PC. Shut down your gaming system completely and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the update to stall. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to load another online game or website to confirm connectivity. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by unplugging the power supply for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting the temporary files related to the update. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. Go to your game library, find Apex Legends and pause the update. Wait a few moments, then resume the update. This can sometimes kickstart the process and allow it to continue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall Apex Legends and then reinstall it. This will ensure that you have the latest version and can resolve any issues with corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and enjoy playing Apex Legends again.